Rick Marshall became part of the Zodiac conversation after fellow ham radio enthusiasts reportedly described unusual behavior during visits to his home. According to accounts shared later, some of them felt certain traits reminded them of the unidentified killer, prompting authorities to take a closer look. It's important to clarify, Marshall was never charged in connection with the Zodiac murders, and no conclusive forensic evidence has publicly linked him to the crimes. Still, several details drew attention at the time. Marshall lived within a few miles of one of the last confirmed Zodiac crime scenes. For some investigators, proximity alone was enough to justify further scrutiny. Additionally, he reportedly owned a Royal Typewriter and a teletype machine, devices similar to those believed to have been used to produce some of the Zodiac's letters sent to newspapers. To some observers, those parallels seemed noteworthy. However, the strongest evidence in the Zodiac case has always been forensic: fingerprints, handwriting analysis, and later DNA testing. And in Marshall's case, his fingerprints did not match those recovered from Zodiac crime scenes. Without a forensic match, investigators were unable to move forward with charges. As with many individuals whose names have surfaced over the decades, the case against Marshall was built largely on circumstantial details rather than definitive proof. And that's what makes the Zodiac mystery so enduring. Over half a century later, the case continues to generate debate, theories, and renewed investigations. Each suspect brings a new angle, proximity, behavior, background, or coincidence, but none have been conclusively tied to the crimes. The identity of the Zodiac killer remains officially unknown. So the question remains, will modern forensic technology finally bring answers, or will this case remain one of history's most haunting, unsolved mysteries? Let us know your thoughts, respectfully, in the comments below.